This is where we're standing. As I said, I gave you some prices. It's very delicate. We have now for the financing, for example, that you asked some questions about. I cannot go in details, but we are negotiating with a few potential financiers to realize this project. The first one is GEBE itself. The financial position of GEBE is as follows, that there are no outstanding debts at this particular moment. There are no significant accounts payables. There are no active overdraft facilities. And there is a respectable cash reserve in the sense that in case we take decision for the containers, GB can assume responsibility for that one. Second to that, we need, of course, the financiers loans to bring in the 3 units, each of 9 megawatt. And we are now working with a local group to form a consortium, and that's why I requested this closed meeting, but okay, I'm glad to have gotten understanding for the limitation and exposure of figures, not to hamper the ongoing discussions, but we are working with a consortium on the island consisting of banks and institutional investors to see if we can get to a solution, to get a loan, to see if we can order in the meantime the 3 units, the big ones, each producing the 9 megawatt. And I have information that we are quite far in negotiations to get to a conclusion to that direction. Further, concerning another option is that I am also busy with the Binnenlandse Zaken from the Netherlands to see, because of the national crisis and threat for the safety and livelihood of the people, what for a loan can I get in this urgent phase to help me with financing of especially the purchasing of the 3 units and enough financing additionally to reorganize the plant in a way that once these units are on the island, that we can proceed with installing them for us to get to a drastic solution for our problem.